This my phone is currently on Android version 11, and it was in 2021 I got this update. Since then I have not gotten any update again. So I'm going to show you step by step how I upgraded it from 11 to Android version 15 using my PC. For the OnePlus users, all the files I'm using in this video are in the description. For the upgrade process to be possible, I first need to unlock my bootloader, and the bootloader can be unlocked by first going to the settings, about phone, tap on the build number for 7 times for the developer option to enable. Then I can go to the bootloader option to enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging mode. I'm now done with the phone, so I will continue the process from the computer. This is the USB cable I'm using for this upgrade. I'm just connecting my phone to the laptop for them to have communication. Now I will open the platform tools and open command prompt from the platform tool folder. And also note that I have already placed all the files I'm using in the platform tool folder. So I'm going to first check whether my phone is properly connected to the computer by using the ADB devices command. Very good, my device is being shown in the list of devices attached to this computer. So I'll continue rebooting into fast boot mode. My device has been rebooted into fast boot mode, so I'm going to check whether it is properly connected. Good. Now I'll start the flashing process. To make things easy for myself and anyone who is going to use this video on their device, these are all the commands I'm going to use. So I'll just copy and paste the commands in the command prompt. The first command I'm going to paste is the fastboot OEM unlock to finally unlock the bootloader. And also note that all your files will be deleted, so make sure you make a backup of all your files. Now I'll wait for you to finish wiping my device clean, and I'll set up the device again and unlock the developer options again and enable USB debugging and boot back into the fast boot recovery. In this part, I can choose to use the volume up and power key to boot back into the fast boot mode, but I prefer using the command. So I will unlock the developer options and use the USB debugging to have the ADB command set up. Now it's left for me to flash the files, the lineage ROM files, which is the Android version 15. So I'll first flash the DTBO and continue with the boot.img, which is the boot image. Now the lineage recovery has been successfully been installed on my device, so I'll boot into the lineage recovery. The rest of the flashing will be done in the recovery using the ADB sideload. Now I'm going to format the device again to have a clean install. Done formatting, so I will go to apply update, apply from ADB, and continue flashing the files from here. Let me first check whether the device is properly connected. Okay, so I'll use the ADB side load. Now I'm going to copy the Android 15 lineage custom ROM name and paste it into the command prompt, followed by .zip, which is the extension for the file. And also, when you are doing your own, don't panic when it gets stuck at 47%. It will continue. It is now asking me whether I want to install Google Apps. Yes, I have the file, so I'll click yes and flash the Google app files. And I'll go to the apply update. Go back to my computer and copy the name of the Google Apps file and paste it into the command prompt again, followed by .zip as the extension for the file. Now I'm done upgrading my phone from Android 11 to version 15. The rest is for me to reboot the device for it to go back to the normal mode. I'm going to set it up as I want. And I'll go to the about phone and show you that this is a fully working Android 15 device. I'll make another video about the features in this Android 15, and also watch the next video to know how to install any app you want on your device, whether if it is not supported.